Going on? My name's Ben, and this is Average Pyrotechnics. So today we've got a little video for you that I am doing after the 4th of July. These are all fireworks that I would consider to be safe for the backyard. Now, that definition of safe may vary from person to person. This is my definition of safe for the backyard. I don't live in a house with a super huge backyard, so these are things that I would be okay doing back here. I'm not going to shoot mortars and big 500-gram cakes back here because I just don't think it's safe enough to do that back here. So these are products that I have deemed to myself safe to do in my backyard. Everybody's backyard might be a little bit different, but this is what works for me. So we're going to go through some of these things. We've got a couple of Roman candles. We've got some bigger sparkler things. We've got some things that spin, go up in the air. We've got a larger Roman candle, bigger fountains, a couple like some novelty things. This is a backpack full of things that my daughter picked out that she would like to do. Some other fountains. So these are all things that I think are good to do. You could probably get away with some smaller 200-gram cakes if you have a lot of space, but I'm not going to be doing any of those today because I'm going to keep it fairly tame because it is after the 4th and I don't really want to annoy my neighbors today. Let's go through these things and I'll show you what we've got going on. So the first thing we've got here is these little tiny Roman candles. These are 10-shot Roman candles called Magic Wands. These are Smoking Alien brand. These were like $5 for a pack of 10 of them. So these are a really cool little thing. It says shoots flaming balls with report, but I've shot a few of these and they do not have report. Right here we've got these slightly larger Roman candles. These are by Cutting Edge Fireworks. These are 5-ball Brocade to Chry effect. These don't actually shoot balls into the air necessarily. They kind of shoot up some glittering tails with some report up at the top. You'll see those when we shoot them off. They're really cool. They're actually some of my favorite ones so far. These, I've had these for a little while, but I figured these are a great one for the backyard. So sorry if they look a little sad. They've been hanging out for quite a bit. These are called Patriot sticks. These are like a really giant sparkler fountain, I guess you could say. You light the end here, and then it shoots fountain style effects out the end. We've got a couple different spinner effects here. These are sunflowers. They're kind of just a really large version of these small bees. The small bees are one of my personal favorites. They're a fun little thing to light off. They spin, they go up in the air. They don't go super high. These sunflowers go a little bit higher. These sunflowers are by Megabanger. These small bees are by Fox Fireworks, and then I also have some that are by Skypainter Fireworks. We'll see if there's a little bit of a difference between those. And these are ground bloom flowers. These are my all-time favorite small firework. There are two different versions here. This is just a regular ground bloom flower. These just spin on the ground with some color. And these are crackling ground bloom flowers. These spin on the ground, and at the end they kind of go off like a firecracker or a crackling ball, more like it. So here's a couple other things that go up in the air. These are ladybugs. So these spin around on the ground and then shoot themselves up in the air. These go a lot higher than like the small bees. So in a tiny backyard, I may not do these, but they're my backyard's plenty big enough to do these today. Then I've got these guys. These are artificial satellites. These just spin on the ground, go up into the air. Sometimes you'll see them just called satellites, but these are artificial satellites by Big Fireworks. And here's one of my personal favorite backyard fireworks. These are crackling balls, those little guys that don't do anything super fancy. They pop open with some crackle and sparkle. These are by Big Fireworks as well. So then I've got these little novelty guys. These are little baby shark style, I think, fountains. They've got some little fountains on their fins here too. We're going to see what those do. Kind of excited to see what these do. This is by Boomer. These are color pearl flowers. These are basically just little Roman candles, multi-shots of little Roman candles. So I've got 2 of those. We're going to do those today. Here's one that my son picked out. He was really excited about this one. It's Top Speed by TNT. This is a little novelty car that you light and it shoots across the ground. We're going to see how well that works when it kind of goes. I'll put that on a board to hopefully give it some room to roll. And then here we've got many various fountains. We've got one by TNT called Purple Rain. We've got Solid Gold by Great Grizzly. We have Team which there's also another one back there called Tag. These ones are by Brothers. And then we have a bunch of these Zen Masters by World Class. And then the largest one of the bunch is called Patriot Torch. This is by Red Rhino. This is a big multi-shot Roman candle. It's 120 shots. These things, you can just kind of stick them into the ground with this guy or put them into some kind of rack. Shoot them up into the air, and they just are really cool, but they don't make really big reports or anything like that. So I think they're fairly safe in the backyard, at least a larger backyard. Not sure I would personally do these in a small one, but I'm going to do them in mine. And this is something my daughter actually refilled this year. This is a fireworks backpack that you can buy. This one was by Boomer, but there's several different brands that make these. This is not what normally comes in this backpack, but I let my daughter kind of pick out things that she wanted to fill it with this year. But pretty much every single thing that you get in these normally is something I would consider very safe for the backyard. Okay, so that's all the things we're going to light off tonight, and get started when it's a little darker. All right, first up, we've got Speed Racer. We're going to see what this guy does. I've got it on the board here. It's not very long, but we'll see how it does. Ooh, that was loud. All right, we've got a single ground bloom flower. Sweet. All right, let's see if we can get a couple at the same time here. I think I got them. Oh, one went straight into the grass. Sweet. All right, this is a ground bloom with crackle or crackling ground bloom, so we can see the difference. No, that one didn't spin. That one didn't spin, but there was the crackle. All right, let's try this one again. Round two. It spun a little bit before it ended up in the grass, but that's cool. I like those. Okay, here's Small Bees by Fox Fireworks. Cool. All right, here's a different Small Bees by Skypainter. About the same. All right, this is Sunflower by Megabanger. Whoa. Okay, let's give one of these a try. This is a Ladybugs. Whoa. Whoa. All right, Solid Gold by Great Grizzly. How this goes. Cool little fountain. All right, we're going to try for two of these. Got him. Ooh, they're like dueling. Sweet. All right, here's Zen Master by World Class. Whoa! It went way higher than I thought it would. That was awesome. Tag by Brothers. Crackling. Yeah, let's get out of the smoke. A big crackle. Wow. And this is Dino-Might by Winda. Holy crap. It's got like an angle to it. The crackle is massive. Got some little zippers in there. There's some zippers. All right, Color Pearl Flower by Boomer. Short and sweet. All right, here's our small Roman candle, a 10 shot by Smoking Alien. Standard Roman candle. All right, let's try 3 of them. Very cool sound coming out of those tubes. This is Brocade to Chry by Cutting Edge. All right, let's go for 2 of these. Nice. Love those. Those might be my favorite Roman candle. Patriot Torch by Red Rhino. So cool. I never get tired of these things. Sick. Never get tired of those. Okay, I'm going to try to do this Patriot torch. I'm kind of holding it in one hand with my camera, but we'll see how this goes. Oh. There it goes. Kind of a first-person shooter-esque shot there. But yeah, just kind of like a little tiny fountain. These things last a really long time too. They're really cool. Oh my god, Expelliarmus. Harry Potter things. These are really fun for kids, fun for adults, fun for everybody. They last a while. They're not super expensive. And I think they're a little safer than regular sparklers because they actually shoot out the end instead of just kind of going everywhere. Just goes and goes and goes, and it takes so long. We'll do it again. Oh my god, bro. Did I hold it right? No, it's supposed to be like that, right? Am I doing that right? Tell me in the comments. I'm probably wrong. Oh my god, bro. Got like a, I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's kind of hard to see. It's got like a blue flame coming out the bottom. It's really cool. Nice sparks. Really bright. And look, still going away from my hand even as it gets nice and close. It's still shooting away from me, so it's very safe. Perfect. All right, it's getting kind of dark and hard to see, but this is a crackling ball. Nice. Let's do one more. These are fun. Not as annoying as firecrackers too, so great for the backyard. This is an artificial satellite. You can also do these in the daytime too. Whoa, that one kind of went sideways. Let's try this again. This is another one. Hopefully this one doesn't go sideways. Still kind of sideways, but not as bad. Okay, here's the baby shark fountain novelty. I don't really know what this is going to do. Here goes the yellow one. Nice little fountain. It looks like it has things that shoot out the back, like out its fins or something. We'll see what those do. I'm curious. Very curious. Oh. So far it's a quiet fountain. That's great for kids, because I know a lot of kids don't like the loud crackle. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, there they go. There they go. Oh, it's going to hit my mortar rack. That's okay. Oh, God, that's crackle. Little crackle at the end. That was cool. I like that. That was a nifty one. All right, it's getting too dark to see these, and I don't have a flashlight with me. So this is the last fountain of the night we're going to do. This is Purple Rain by TNT. Oh, it's got a nice purple color. Does that come through on camera? Oh, that purple's so cool. It's so pretty. Oh my, bright. That's bright. Oh my, that's going to give you spots. That's so cool. Really big crackle. Really big crackle. Wow. Huge crackle for such a small fountain. Dang, that was cool. Well, as you can see, it's actually the next day. My camera died last night as I finished filming, so I couldn't do any kind of outro for you guys, but I'm going to do it right now. So we had a great time. I hope you enjoyed that video. It's now time for the part that everybody loves the most, cleaning up. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know if there's anything you guys would like me to do or things you would like to see in the future. And see you in the next one. See you later. La, 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 la.